Today I'm designing in Canva AI 2.0. I will create a video clip from an image. Let's start. I'm typing a prompt here, and let's see what I'm getting after it is done. It is taking some time, but no problem. Wow, look at the video clip. It's nice. You can add things to your prompt to make your clips more realistic. You can edit this video clip in Canva Editor, add music, text, elements, etc. Now, I will type a prompt to get an image. And look at the results. Canva AI has given me 3 variations. Well, I like the first one. I see here a very interesting feature. Canva AI is going to create my About page based on my designs. Let's see. Here is my page. It's a wonderful feature. Now I can edit this page and add new information or remove anything from here. I hope you liked this video. Do write in comments for future topics.